Your brain is running at full speed every second. Scrolling, notifications, streaming, gaming, snacking. You think you're in control, but the truth is, your brain is on autopilot. And autopilot doesn't lead you to success. It leads you to comfort. And comfort ends in regret. Today's video is about dopamine detox. Reset your brain in 7 days. If you're tired of being distracted, if you feel your motivation is fading, if you want your mind back, watch this till the end. Because the final technique I'll share is the key that can 10x your productivity and discipline. But first, we need to understand the trap we're in. Point 1, the dopamine trap. Your brain runs on chemicals. One of the most powerful ones is dopamine. Dopamine controls motivation, pleasure, and reward. But here's where things go wrong. Modern life gives us cheap dopamine at every corner. TikTok and Instagram scrolling, video games, fast food, Netflix binges, pornography, constant music, validation from likes and comments. These things give your brain instant high reward with zero effort. Think of your brain like a lion. A lion is built to hunt, but imagine if every day someone just placed a burger in front of it. Eventually it would forget how to hunt. That's exactly what is happening to you. Your brain has forgotten how to work for reward. It only chases easy reward. By the way, if you've checked your phone once while watching this video, yes, this video is about you. But don't worry, this is fixable. That's where detox begins. Point 2, days 1 and 2. The pain phase. Let me be honest, the first 48 hours will feel uncomfortable. You'll feel restless, bored, irritated, empty. Your brain will beg you for dopamine hits. But listen carefully. This discomfort is proof that your brain needs a reset. So when you feel the urge to scroll or play games, tell yourself, right now my brain is rewiring. This shifts your mindset from victim to scientist. And that mindset is powerful. Remember, boredom is not your enemy. Boredom is the birthplace of ideas. Newton discovered gravity while bored. We make memes. Anyway, let's break down the detox plan. Point 3, the 7-day dopamine detox roadmap. This is your simple, actionable strategy. Day 1, remove the triggers. Delete social media apps from your phone. Turn off all notifications. Create a work mode home screen. Reduce temptation. Don't rely on willpower. Fix your environment. Day 2, embrace silence. No background music while working. No TV while eating. No constant noise to fill silence. Let your brain breathe again. Day 3, low dopamine activities. Begin activities that calm your nervous system. A 30-minute walk without your phone. 10 minutes of meditation. Deep breathing exercises. This helps your brain find peace again. Day 4, cold showers and sleep discipline. Take a 60-90 second cold shower. Sleep and wake up at the same time daily. This resets your nervous system and energy rhythm. Day 5, single task mastery. Stop multitasking. Work in 45-minute deep focus sessions. One task, one focus. Your clarity will surprise you. Day 6, create a vision system. Write down your top 3 goals, why they matter, what your life will look like once you achieve them. This reignites purpose-driven dopamine. Day 7, healthy reward reset. Choose rewarding activities that build growth. Working out, creating something, reading, spending time outside. By now, your brain begins valuing effort-based rewards again. But wait, there is a hidden danger here. Point 4, why most people fail the detox. Most people don't fail because detox is hard. They fail because they never change their identity. If you still see yourself as, I'm addicted to scrolling, I have no discipline, I'm trying to quit, then your brain eventually goes back to old habits. True change happens when you shift the identity to, I am someone who controls my mind. I choose long-term growth over short-term pleasure. Your language shapes your identity. Your identity shapes your behavior. The transformation doesn't start with your brain. It starts with what you believe about yourself. Once identity shifts, we enter the final phase. Point 5, the momentum phase. This is where everything starts coming together. After the detox, focus feels easier. Anxiety decreases. You feel in control. Time feels more valuable. Your work becomes sharper. You become the leader of your mind, not the prisoner. But remember, if you allow cheap dopamine back into your life casually, your progress will disappear instantly. Protect the momentum you're building. This is your comeback. Point 6, the secret pattern flip technique. This is the master key. When you feel the urge to scroll, snack, or binge, don't just try to fight the urge. Replace it. Examples: want to scroll? Do 10 push-ups. Want to watch something? Drink water and breathe for 60 seconds. Want to drift? Open your goals notebook. Don't suppress, redirect. This teaches your brain that when a craving appears, the response is growth, not escape. This is how discipline becomes automatic. Distractions are not just wasting your time, they are weakening your future. They are stealing your potential, your focus, your ambition. You deserve better. You deserve clarity. You deserve the life you know you're capable of living. And this detox is the first step. If today's video opened your eyes, then your next step goes even deeper. Because once dopamine resets, the next challenge is emotional control. I highly recommend watching my video next, The Dark Power of Becoming Emotionless. It's appearing on the screen right now. Click it. Your transformation continues there. See you in that video.